Hello, my name is Jeffrey, Chef Jeff. Today I will cook a delicious recipe. It will suck your fingers. What should I do before cooking? I have to put on my apron, hat, and glove. I am ready. And you? Come on! By the way, the sponsor of the recipe is Doña Juana Flour. I will cook some empanadas with cheese and red ground beans. What are the empanadas like? The empanadas are a kind of tortillas with fill. The ingredients are, let's see. To make the dough, you need 3 cups of flour, a cup of powdered cheese, a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup oil, a pinch of sugar, and half cup of water. And finally, for the filling, you need slices of cheese and red ground beans. The preparation is very easy. Step 1. Mix the ingredients in a bowl to form the dough. Step 2. Make a tortilla. It should look like this. Step 3. Place the filling. First, the red ground beans. And second, some slices cheese. Step 4. Fold the tortilla to form the empanada. And step 5. Fry 4 minutes and it's ready. You can accompany the empanada with a cup of coffee, for example. That's great. Delicious. See you later.